Hello.
Hi, welcome to the first installment of Uncle Omar's Morning Hour with Uncle Omar and
Just Anna.
Anna. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh God, yeah. That's good shit.
Very good thing. You can't say those kind of words on this special family channel. We don't do that, Omar.
Right, she is. So today, we would like to discuss a few things, starting with, of course, the Oscars.
Of course, why not? So the Oscars tonight. What did you think, Omar? I mean, Uncle Omar.
I really, well, I am somebody. But, I was really quite taken away by some of what the heck are the rats doing?
Eating each other. That makes it awkward.
And by the way, make sure to watch next week's special edition of Uncle Omar and Anna when we go into rats' sexual behavior.
Yes, what? You always trick me on that one because this is a family learning channel.
Excuse me. So I did feel that.
Yes.
Slumdog Millionaire did take the show.
Oh, yes, it did. It did quite take the show.
And I mean, really, it was entirely.
All of India took the show.
In fact, we have somebody from Slumdog Millionaire who's going to be on our show today.
Really?
He's one of the tech people who wants to discuss how he feels to have really made it in such a degree.
Yes.
Yeah, should I bring him in?
Sure.
Okay, just a moment. Unfortunately, the network only allotted us 2 chairs at a time, so I'm going to temporarily resign my airtime right now to Jagresh Mumdaka, who will come here, speak to us in Hezbollah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you for just telling me that now, Uncle Omar. So I guess I'll be interviewing him as we wait. Alone. Hi.
Hello. I would like to say,
Apparently we're low on funding too, so we'll be using him too.
I would just like to say that we made it today with the Slumdog Millionaire. We were so low, we are so high now.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're high, that's for sure.
Yes, but let me go get Omar again, because this is obviously a not very good impersonation of the South Asian people. Let me go.
Okay.
Alright, I'll be right back.
I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. We are just working on some things with... Hi!
Yes,
how are you feeling now?
Not bad.
So, the Oscars, they were really something, huh?
They were.
Yeah. I feel like that, Slumdog Millionaire, that was a very good movie. Very good movie. I think that,
Yes.
Yes.
Would you tend to say, however, that there was a multicultural theme behind the Oscars?
I feel like, Uncle Omar, I feel like they put a bunch of things together. I thought it was beautiful. The way that everything flowed, moved. Yeah. I don't see any problems or issues with it.
Now, Hugh Jackman, that handsome devil.
Oh, yes, that handsome devil.
Yes, but it's not quite as, I would say as entertaining as...
Funny?
Or fun at all.
But he was pretty cute to look at that the whole time.
Easy on the eyes.
I mean,
easy on the eyes.
Yeah, you just look at him and you think of things. And
they often say if men had their one legitimate sexual encounter with another man, Hugh Jackman.
Oh, you're so funny again. Family Lane Channel, emphasizing the family and family. We're gonna have to take a break.
Yes, we're gonna have to take a break. We're gonna do commercials, but when we come back, we'll be discussing.
What will we be discussing?
You want it?
We'll take a break.